Basically, this is a LinkedIn daily poster. So basically, it triggers daily, specifically at 7 a.m. in the morning. And we have an input step, we have a content step, and a publish step. First of all, we get the inputs from the Notion database. So as you can see, we have a lot of topics here. It could be a link, it could be a phrase. We have an image here. We have additional prompts just in case we want more, like example, make it a bit funny, and the status of it, if it's posted or not. And then we have caption. So basically, this is the caption generated by the LLM. We have the post link. Basically, once LinkedIn node successfully posted our generated post, we can get this link and then the posted date. Okay. Um, so let's go through our workflow. First, it gets the input. It gets the first not posted link. So basically, the first thing that it gets is the topic that is not yet posted. Okay, and then it formats that data. It's basically getting the topic, additional prompt, image, and the Notion URL. And then we have an LLM here that writes the caption. We have here the prompt. We use GPT-4o Mini just to save for now. But basically, it creates the caption based on our topic. Okay. And then if there's an image, just like on our column image, if there's an image, we're asking it if to download that image if it exists, or if there's no image, we generate an image. Okay. And then we edit those fields, and making sure that we're passing the output of the caption and the Notion URL, and at the same time the image is already built on the binary data. And then that's the thing that we're going to pass here in our post to LinkedIn node. We have data as image and the output text as caption. Okay. And then we're updating the Notion database so that the posted state is reflecting. Okay. So let's try to run this workflow. And then as you can see, we have this list of activities or posts that I have. This is an example post, and let's see if once we generate or execute this flow, it should show there. So I'm starting to execute the post now. I'm in the workflow now. um, it's getting the post, it formatted the post. Now we're in the content step, writing the caption, and it's detecting if there's an image attached. If there's no image attached, it's going to generate that for us using Dolly. No, I'm using OpenAI here as well. I believe OpenAI has better text generation in image, overlaid on image, compared to the other models. Um, so this is the longest step. Basically, is the generating of the image, and I believe if I remember correctly, it's only costing me like 0.033 something, or yeah, something like that, dollars uh, per run of this workflow. Okay, so we're currently waiting for the image to be generated, and then after the image is generated, it will then edit the fields that it's going to pass to our post to LinkedIn node. Uh, right now, we're posting it under our publish step, and then if you can see here, uh, side by side, it should make the last item posted once we update the Notion database. Yep, there you go. So you can see the caption, the URL, and the post time. So yeah, pretty much that's a very simple workflow that I have, ready just to demo my skills with n8n. So yeah, we can create more complex ones and post to more social media accounts. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.